All right. We are in our second day of work on our new unit on waves. And so today we're going to be working on water waves and tsunamis. So where we're going to be today is waves and water waves. We have several activities we're going to be working on related to this, and several different seesaw activities. Today, you're going to be working on two of those activities, activity 2 and activity 3. So let's go talk about tsunamis and waves a little bit. Yesterday, we looked at water waves. Water waves are typically wind driven from the surface. And so you only see this motion happening at the surface. Now, water waves can be very large, very destructive. 70 feet, 100 feet tall is not that unusual. Boats can be sunk by ocean water waves. So it's not to belittle those, but they are nothing compared to tsunami waves. They're very different. As you can see, in a wind-driven wave, the motion of the water particles is all near the surface. There's nothing happening down deep. In a tsunami wave, there is some sort of seismic activity, motion of the seafloor, a landslide, underwater volcano that basically provides a pulse of energy from the ocean floor all the way up through the water column. And what that does is it gets the entire water column moving, and it can move very, very rapidly, up to and over 500 miles an hour. When tsunami waves impact the coast, they rise in height and then provide a large flood of water that can often extend far inland, depending on the elevation. So what I would like you to do today in Seesaw, we have two activities for you to work on. And the first one is this one about how tsunamis work. And so there's a cool little video, watch the little video, and then pick your name, and then go in and answer the basic questions about tsunamis, all right? The second video, or the second activity, is to begin your wave essay, all right, to write the first paragraph. And so this first paragraph, again, I'm going to choose my name. And we're going to start out with something just basic about types of waves. So you could actually start your essay by saying, this unit is all about waves. There are 3 types of waves. And then if you have completed your wave characteristics activity, you could go back and talk about the 3 different types of waves, and then show and discuss basic vocabulary about waves and characteristics of waves. So you should do this as a text, okay? And just put your block of text in the open space, and then save it so that we can use it later when we go to construct the entire essay in Google Docs. So that is what you're up to today. Enjoy our little discussion on